Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, it's 𝗪𝗲-𝗠𝗪, and today I want to be showing you guys how to absolutely slay your wig straight out of the box, even if you have short, long, medium hair, from MyFirstWigs. So if you guys are looking to see the absolute slayage, to go from this baldy right here to the absolute sleek, straight bob that I'm going to be showcasing in this video. I also give you guys two options, one completely straight and the other super wavy in a traditional beach wave. So this is the packaging that the hair came in. Like I said before, it's from MyFirstWig, which is the sister company to RPG Show Hair. They also give you two wig caps. They give you a scrunchy material to sew on the back of your wig. I already did that. If you guys want to see a tutorial, I will do one for you, but there's 1,000,001 tutorials out there for you guys to see on how to do it. They also give you a bag with information on how to apply your wig and also what to do with all of your bobby pins, your comb, and they also give you a wig stand, which is super good because I need like 1,000,000 of these because I'm about to be slaying wigs all summer for my protective styles. So this is what the wig looks like straight out of the bag. It does have like a slight wave to it. This is the Raven wig from that website. It already comes pre-curled, and guess what guys, the hairline is plucked. I do not have to go in and pluck anything on this hairline. I do not have to go in and tint the lace or anything. Now the whole sole purpose of the tutorial is just to show you guys how you can just take the wig straight out of the box and customize it to your natural hair shape, hairline, and blend it in just so seamlessly without bleaching any knots and without tinting any lace. If you guys do not have the time, if you guys have no idea how to do it, this is why this tutorial has been made. So right here, all I'm doing is just showing the natural hairline, and then I'm going to be cutting the lace from the wig, any of the lace that I do not need, and I will be being very careful to the hairline because I do not want to mess it up and cut too much. So that's just what I'm doing right here. So once the lace is cut, I'm going to be sectioning off my natural hairline because this is what I'm going to use as my quote-unquote fake hairline if you guys do not want to just have none of your hair out. So all I'm doing is doing like probably 2 centimeters worth of my baby hair in my natural hairline and just parting that all from ear to ear in that whole perimeter. And then once that is done, I will be taking my 𝗣𝗶𝗶 gel, putting a little bit on the back of my hand and then applying that onto that area where I already sectioned off, and then finishing that with my 𝗣𝗶𝗶 freeze spray, spraying that on that area as well, and then letting that dry for about 30 seconds, and then I will be applying my wig over top.
On a journey in the so-called life, took the high road, took it all in stride, feel I'm blessed to even be alive.
Now, I did not show this part on camera, but I decided that when I put on my bandana to let it dry and sit and I took it off, it just didn't look really well blended to me. So what I did was just take off the wig and put the wig cap on first, and then do the same thing I just did, and then I let that sit and dry, and then this is the ending result of what it looked like. It just looks so much better. It blends in a lot better with my natural hair, with my natural scalp color. And then all I did was just use a little bit of some eyeshadow powder. The palette is from, it's just an e.l.f. palette, and I'm just using a color that matches my scalp just to blend in with the part of my natural hairline. And then that is it for that part. Look how just good that looks, guys. It just looks so real, so slayed.
But I'm taking my time.
And then once my hair is on, now I'm going to go on to straightening my hair. So all I did was just section off one side of my hair, and then I will just be flat ironing the entire wig. It's nothing really special for you guys to see, so I'm just going to fast forward through this part, and you guys can just see how slayed this wig becomes. So this is the ending results, guys. This looks so nice. Like, I am so feeling this long, sleek bob. I love the fact that the ends aren't super blunt. Like, it looks more like a natural ends, but they are nicely cut, and it's just so sleek. It's just so straight. It's just so absolutely fabulous, guys. So I did say that I was going to be showing you guys two options. So the second option is going to be me doing some beach wave wand curls. So all I'm doing is just section off a little section, and I'm using a tapered wand curler just to give me those super textured and long waves. And I am not curling the hair all the way to the ends. I am leaving a little piece of hair out so that the hair looks more of like a tousled beach wave than of a wand curl. And then again, I'm just fast forwarding through everything because it becomes super repetitive, but I will be showing you guys the ending results and how that looks. Okay guys, so this is the ending results of how my beach wave hair came out. I love how this wig is so versatile. You can wear it super sleek and straight, or you can kind of switch it up and do beach waves, and it still becomes so pretty and so cute and so flawless. I am actually wearing my hair in the beach wave style today, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I love you guys always, and bye guys.